Hello, welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious tartar sauce. You have never had it like this before, and when I tell you you're going to love it, there are a few ingredients that you need. Now keep in mind, when you're making tartar sauce, it's not just for seafood. I'm going to leave the information down below, but the size that I will be making today is the family size. I will go ahead and leave in the description bar down below the family size as well as a small portion. If you're ready, let's get started. This is a mason jar that had spaghetti sauce in it. I cleaned it very well. I'm going to put my tartar sauce in here. So a lot of times when you buy your jars from the store with your favorite sauce in it, always look for the detail of the glass so you can keep the jars for something special later on. But I'm going to put the remaining of my tartar sauce inside of this. This will last in your refrigerator from 3 weeks to almost 1 month. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we shared together. Until next time, be blessed.